ladies! Today we're counting off the top 2018 fall and winter 2019 makeup trends. Dark lips. This vampy lip is always a favorite during the fall and winter season because it creates a sexy yet alluring vibe that can only be seen during the colder months. Bronze hues. The bronzy look is the perfect way to look like you just got back from an island vacation with a slight bit of a glow. Sun-kiss your eyes, lips, and your cheeks to create this trendy new look. '90s inspired brown lips. During the 90s, brown lips were huge, and this year they are definitely back. Colored eyeliner. If you're looking for a fun way to make your eyes pop, then colored eyeliner is definitely your answer. Look for shades of blue and purple to really speak volumes with your eye color. Thick eyeliner. Thick eyeliner is a great way to make your eyelashes appear thicker than they actually are. Glowing complexions. Well, when it comes to winter skin, we never want to look dry, cracked, and rough. So glowing skin is definitely a way to amp up your beauty routine and make it look like you have perfect healthy skin. Everyday smoky eyes. The perfect eye makeup look that you can wear to work or for drinks with the girls. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed counting down the top makeup trends for this season. Be sure to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.